The iOS Calendar app makes it easy to create and share events with friends and family. Whether it's a work meeting or a weekend getaway, you can also send and receive invitations to stay organized. Here's how to share your calendar on iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, x876. Part 1. How to share iCloud calendar on iPhone. Open the Calendar app, tap Calendars, then the icon next to the iCloud calendar. Tap Add Person, enter their details, and tap Add. Finish by tapping Done. Part 2. How to share an event in Calendar on iPhone. Open the Calendar app, create or select an event, and tap Edit in the top right. Select Invitees. Enter the email addresses and tap Done to send the invitations. Part 3. How to share Calendar public on iPhone. Open the Calendar app, tap Calendars, then the info button next to the calendar. Scroll down and tap Share link to make it public. Part 4. How to share Calendar private on iPhone. Click Share in the sidebar, select Private Calendar, then enter the invitee's email and press Enter. Choose View and Edit or View Only access for each invitee. Click OK when done. Invitations will be sent from your iCloud account. Part 5. How to share Calendar on iPhone via family sharing. Open the Calendar app, tap Plus, select or create an event. Tap Calendar, choose Family, then enter details and save. Bonus: how to back up calendar events on iPhone. To back up your iPhone calendar, use Mobikin Assistant for iOS. This tool lets you back up and restore calendars, photos, and more on iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Here's how to back up your calendar. Follow the step-by-step guide on how to use Assistant for iOS to back up calendar on iPhone. 1. Install and open the program, then connect your iPhone via USB. 2. Select Calendar from the left column. 3. Choose the calendars to back up and click Export to save them.